Hello, in this short video I'm going to be showing you a brief and quick overview of the LISS home page. When you are logged into the home page here, you'll notice there will be three search bars. This is a function of the advanced search feature. If you only wanted to have one search bar, it'll be located in the basic search here. You'll notice now there's only one search bar. To go back, you can click on Advanced Search. Advanced search does have some neat features that will be emphasized on a different video. It'll have Boolean operators such as these sections here, which is and, or not, that will limit or restrict your research. And it also has fields, which will give you different subject or abstract that you're trying to locate. In the middle section of the LISS are the search options. These are great features that will also help limit or filter your research so that you can find the exact article that you need for your research needs. Again, more emphasis will go into these little sections in different parts of the video. In the bottom of the page, there will be the EBSCO Connect privacy policy and other terms of use and copyright notices for EBSCO host. Hopefully this short and brief overview gave you helpful information on the LISS homepage.